It's that time of year again where you're scrambling to find gift ideas for people that you might not even like. If they happen to be cruising, here are 10 gift ideas that they might enjoy. Disclaimer, these are not fun, cutesy little ideas for gifts to give that they're never going to actually use. These are actual products that I pack every cruise, so I think they'll enjoy them too. Stick around to the end for my must-have item that you're not going to see on any other list. Number 1, luggage tags. These are cruise luggage tags. These ones specifically are by Cruise On. You can get all these product links in the description box below. These are what you put your cruise specific tag in. When you're going on a cruise, when you get to your cruise ship, they need to know where to send your luggage. So you slide your little paper in here. This just keeps it way more protected than just stapling it onto your luggage. I will say though that these are cruise line specific. So these ones I have here are Royal Caribbean. When we then went on our Princess cruise, they didn't fit properly, but I just cut them. So no matter what cruise line they're going on, they can still be used. But if you do know what line they tend to travel with or what line they will be traveling on, you might want to get a specific one for their cruise line. Number 2 is one that I don't know why I didn't travel with before because they are amazing. Little magnetic hooks. They unscrew so you can take them apart to travel with, but now I just keep them together. They are crazy strong, crazy strong. You do need a little bit of effort to get them off sometimes on some of the walls. They're so helpful for hanging hats and backpacks and whatever you need. You can also get magnetic clips so that way they can put any important papers and just hang it on the wall. Space is at a premium in a stateroom cabin, so get a few hooks and they're good to go. Number 3 is a reusable collapsible water bottle. These are fantastic for traveling with in general, but these little collapsible ones are great for cruising. I am cheap and don't buy water on the cruise, so I can fill this up in my stateroom or any water station. I just pour it into a cup and then pour it into my bottle, and then I have water wherever I need it to go. Going on an excursion, why pay for bottled water? Just bring my own. Number 4, packing cubes. I personally love the Cabin Zero packing cubes, but I also use some Gonex, I think that's how you say their name, compression cubes sometimes as well. I just tend to use the Cabin Zero ones because I have a Cabin Zero backpack, but that's probably more money than you want to be spending on a gift, especially if you don't like the person. Anyway, packing cubes in general are a great way for any traveler to be able to pack their suitcase without having things be all over the place, have it a little bit more organized, plus have a little bit more space because it's so organized. Number 5 is a cruise approved travel adapter. These little things are a lifesaver. You can't pack a power bar when you're going on a cruise. They're not allowed. So instead, I have the Cruise On power adapter, which has 3 normal plugs plus 2 USB plugs. So this allows me and whoever's staying in the cabin with me to be able to plug in all our devices to have them charged without having to worry about fighting for plugs. Number 6, silicone travel bottles. I personally just use whatever shampoo, conditioner, body wash comes in my stateroom, but I know for a lot of people they need a certain one for their hair or they have a preference, and so having these little travel bottles are perfect. They can pour whatever shampoo or conditioner or body wash they use at home directly into these bottles and then bring it on the cruise. This way it's a smaller bottle, most of them are TFSA approved, and you're good to go. Number 7 is a mini phone charger. I have a few of these. I have a couple that are just like this little thing, which comes with a little carrying bag that I can store all the stuff in. Then I can plug my phone in to be charged. I also have one that plugs directly into my phone, and this is my preferred one because then I don't need any cables. Especially as a vlogger who is filming a lot during my cruise, it's nice to just be able to pop it in, charge it as I'm still even filming. Number 8 is a cruise card lanyard. When you go on a cruise, you're given a stateroom card, and you need to carry this with you at all times. My favorite way is on a lanyard, and these lanyard holders are perfect. We've gotten custom ones off of Etsy before, but honestly, the ones from Amazon do the job just fine. Number 9 is for the book-loving cruisers. The perfect gift for them might be the Lonely Planet Cruise Handbook. This has everything they might need to know about cruising in a general perspective. So it's not like one cruise line specific or anything like that, it's cruising in general, so this might be the best gift for them. Last but not least is my must-have product for any cruiser that is cruising consistently or traveling in general, and that is the Scrubba Washbag. It is a bit of an investment. It is not a $10 gift, but if they are cruising for any length of time and they're going to need to do laundry, highly recommend the Scrubba for any traveler, not only cruisers, because this gets your clothes so clean without having to pay for service. For Princess, I tend to use the self-serve laundry or the laundry service, but for all other cruise lines, I highly recommend just hand washing your own clothes, and the Scrubba makes that perfect. We're going on a 13-night cruise with Royal Caribbean to Norway, and they don't have self-serve laundry, and I'm not paying the ridiculous prices for the service. So, Scrubba, 13 days, it's gonna be great. Although it's a bit of a purchase to begin with, it is so invaluable when you don't have to pay for laundry service while cruising. So there you have it, 10 gift ideas for cruisers that are actually practical and useful. If you like this video, go check out this one because I think you'll like it too.